Hello guys, welcome back. On today's video I'm going to be showing you how I care for my hair. So for the records, I'm not that person that gives my hair the proper attention that is needed, which is why the breakouts. However, I'm deciding to stick to this routine and see what good comes out of it. Yeah, so I'm just going to go in with my shampoo right now. I'm using the Johnson Wash shampoo. I'm just going to apply a little to my hair and then I'm going to scrub it, after which I'll wash it out. Yeah. So right now I'm going in with my strawberry and cream moisturizing conditioner. Guys, this conditioner is so creamy, so I'll just spread it around until it's sitting pretty all over my scalp, and then I'll just comb it out to ensure that there are no tanglings, after which I'll wash it off. So at this point, I was done washing. So I just dried my hair and I combed it out properly. After which I applied my shea butter. Believe me, I was so generous applying the shea butter. Yeah, so when I'm done with this routine, I do not like to make my hair almost immediately. This is just me giving my scalp the opportunity to rest a bit before I go in with whatever. Yeah, so I just did some few cornrows on my hair. Guys, my cornrows actually looked very funny. However, I just do anything to ensure that I avoid breakouts. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to like and please leave your comments down below in the comment section. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.